Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up?
Today I'm going to show you how to fix a shirt that you've cut too wide on the collar accidentally. Now it's too wide and it won't sit up on your shoulders. So what we're going to do is also make the sleeves shorter because we're going to use this part that goes on the bottom of the sleeve. So you can take one of your sleeves and you're just going to cut close to that nice seam here. And you can just cut it all the way off like that. And maybe you want to take more off the sleeves, depends on what you like, but what we really need is this nice piece of hem. So once you have that cut off, we're just going to give it a little snip to get this big bulky part off. So you can cut that out. And now we're going to use this piece and put it across the back. On one side of this piece, you're just going to cut a little hole. So you can fold one part of it up like that. And then with your scissors, just cut a tiny slit like that. When you open it back up, you have this little hole. We're also going to make holes in each shoulder of the t-shirt at the back. So you can just take the shirt and we're going to make a little fold where the shoulder seam is. Just use the scissors and cut another hole. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just take that shoulder seam and with your scissors, just cut a small hole like that. Perfect. With the band that you cut, you're going to line up those two holes and then take the other end of the band and put it through the holes. So now these are tied together. Then you're going to move over to the other side of the shirt and put it through this hole. And you don't want to use the whole piece because you want it to be tight. You put it through that hole and now we're going to tie it into a knot, leaving a good chunk hanging off the end. So now you can try it on and it should be a lot tighter at the back. And when you figured out how tight you want this to be, you can cut off this end like that. Now it will sit much higher on your shoulders and you have this nice little dangly bit on the back.
And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Now we have this piece across the back which keeps it nice and high on our shoulders. So now it's much more comfortable, not falling off at all. No problem. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.